Alright, hello students. So in this video lesson you're going to learn how to draw a 1-point perspective table like you see here. What you're going to need is a sheet of paper, and it can be a grid paper or just a blank sheet of paper, sharp pencil, and a ruler. So with your sheet of paper ready, what you want to do is draw a horizon line at the top, put a dot for your VP line. This is your vanishing point. And then you're going to draw basically draw a square without the bottom part. It's totally there. So I'm going to use my eraser. So you're going to draw this shape here. Just like that. Okay, so draw that, and then using your ruler, you're going to connect the corners. Draw really lightly to your VP line, your VP dot. And you're even going to connect this corner here to the VP. Once you have all of those lines, the table will kind of make itself. So then you'll draw a horizontal line connecting between these two VP lines. Connect these lines. You'll then draw, so from this corner here, draw a vertical line down to meet that line. You'll draw a vertical line here and a vertical line here. And that basically will, give you legs. Draw that line. Make sure you're on your VP line. Draw another vertical line here. Draw the bottom of that leg. Between this point right here, you'll need to draw a horizontal line, like a small one. Then from that up, connect. And there's your 1-point perspective table. If I wanted to shade this, I would decide where my light source is. So for example, here's the sun. Light's going to go in that direction. So that means that I would shade, the inside parts of my table legs. And on this side here. Okay, so you'll shade it nice. You can use cross hatching, blending, hatching. If I were to actually shade it on the software here, I would probably just color it in. Oopsies. But not as dark, with a darker, like gray color. See, it doesn't work that great. So you get the idea. Draw that 1-point perspective table and hand it in.